Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you my Amazon KDP paperback publishing income for January 2021. So let's jump in real quick. So you can see on the screen right here that one of the things that I'm impressed with my account is that I finally am getting consistency. So you can see the different orders here. I had 8 there, 6, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7, 7, 7. So that was really cool to see all those, over 5. And then I had a couple 9 days and, I didn't hit the 10. I'm looking for that 10 in one day, barrier that I'm trying to reach. But, the deal here is that back in the summertime, or even when I was taking this a little bit more seriously last year, I remember kind of reflecting on, hey, I'm only getting like 1 or 2 sales. And a lot of days looked like this over here with no sales at all. And then I just kind of was trying to imagine and have positive affirmations about, what it'll be like when I start making, 4 or 5 or 6 book sales per day. And, now I'm making that happen. In the slowest month of the year, in January, I've actually had about 27 days in a row with sales. So consistency this month, consistency is a big factor in what I'm looking at that has been major improvements. And then, I've only been seriously publishing the coloring books the last couple months, December and January. I'm liking what I'm seeing. And keep this in mind that these sales are with no advertising at all. I'm not doing any ads. This is just uploading new books, new coloring books, and making organic sales, which is really cool. So let me quickly show you what I made in January. So it was $280.43. And I believe in December, which is known as probably the best month, highest sales amount in the year, was 300 something. So the fact that I'm getting close to 300 in a slow month with no advertising and very few books, these are just few coloring books that I'm uploading, is promising. So what I want to do, the goal with the account is to get it to $1,000 per month, pretty passively, even on slow months. I'd like to get this to $1,000 a month. So you can see I'm a third of the way there, which is really really exciting. Now I'm going to show you real quick. I'll show you over here, the download of the data. Now real quick, if you guys can leave a comment below, if you guys use the Chrome extension book reports and how that's been working out for you. I've uninstalled, cleared cache, done just about everything you can think of, uninstalled the plugin, cleared my cache in my web browser, reinstalled, signed up, all that. And it's just not accurate. It's not pulling all the sales for me. And it's just not working. So I've tried some other tools and they're kind of clunky as well. And then they all want you to pay for it. And I just don't think that it's really worth it. I don't really think any of them have quite gotten down the best way to report. I just want to see what books are selling daily and kind of get the data. And so being that I know how to use Excel and do pivot tables and stuff, I think I'm just going to download the reports myself. And I can do pie charts and do pivot tables, and all the data that I need is right there. If you can just do this. Now I've blacked out the books, so I don't want to reveal any of my niches. And you can see, like I said, there's no advertising going on my account. And I had a book that sold 19 copies right there. And then you can see the breakdown right here by country. And we have obviously Amazon.com took the lead, but then you had the UK, and then you had Canada, and then you had Germany, and then you had Spain and Italy. So that's the kind of the breakdown. And then over here, I kind of did this little breakdown for you over here, which is there's only 46 total books that's like different books that sold in the month, right? So we can come down here. I had 153 unit sales, right? And those came from 46 total books. And then you have 13 of these are non-coloring books. So I think I had 1 planner in there, and I had the rest of them are just notebooks. And then the rest of the books that are selling are 33 coloring books. So this just tells you that, 2/3 of my business is coming from coloring books, and it's going to continue because that's really all I'm focused on right now. These books over here that are selling are old notebooks that I published a year ago or longer ago, and so I'm not focused on the notebooks. I also don't like the fact that if you want to publish a notebook on Amazon right now, that it takes you 2 weeks to get it published. Last time I tried, it took like 14 days to get a book approved, and there's just a very low chance on the notebooks side of things, in my opinion, to get those sales, because that's what everybody's uploading. And so I'm taking a different approach and just doing quality coloring books, and they get approved in less than 24 hours. And so you can just do some really high quality coloring books and then get them approved immediately, and they have a chance of selling right away. And so that's kind of what we're going for there. And then out of the 24 sales of non-coloring books, so we're looking at this total number here, the 153 sales, right? 24 of those came from like journals and planners and things like that. 129 of those came from coloring books. So really, really neat. And I just want to continue to grow this. I'd like to get to 400, 500, 800, and to $1,000 a month with this account. And I did like a chart that kind of breaks down the marketplaces as well. So obviously the .com, the US and the UK are the big markets. So I hope you enjoyed this income report. I'm going to try to do this every month, the first week of the month. For this, I'm going to try to do this for my Udemy course sales and for KDP, because those businesses are completely, have nothing to do with YouTube or affiliate marketing or anything like that. They're completely on the side. They're completely separate businesses in themselves, and anybody could get started in any one of these businesses and take their accounts to $1,000 or more. And I like to get both of those up to $1,000 a month each. So if you like this income report and you want to learn more about KDP and what I'm doing with coloring books and how I'm going to take my coloring book business on Amazon to the next level, to $1,000 a month and beyond, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on my next videos. I'm planning on pumping out a bunch more tutorials on creating coloring books and doing coloring book niche research. And don't forget to smash that like button. Until next time, take care.